Government contracting may actually be the best business secret ever, all around the world. And I say that because even if you're in another country, you can do business with the United States federal government. I also say that because there's no other revenue stream, no other customer base, no other client base where you are guaranteed income every single year for 4 to 5 years after you win a contract. Not only that, you're dealing with a system where $400 billion is spent every single year. So once you get in the door and you have a good track record, you can continue to not just have one contract, but 3, 4, 5 contracts all at once and have consistent income from each of those contracts for 3, 4, 5 years. Now, if that is not a very unique system, I don't know what is. It's achievable and it works if you do it right. And what I mean by that is the government buys everything, but they don't make anything themselves. They don't offer any services. They depend on large and small companies. Large companies, they have no problem getting this message. Small businesses, we need to focus more and understand every single year, $92 billion and more, depending on the state of the economy, is set aside just for us. So if you have the ability and the desire and the focus to make the government your customer, you get them what they need, when they need it, how they need it, and where they need it, you will have a customer for life. The COVID-19 pandemic, if you have the government as your customer, as your client, you're probably not experiencing the same things that hundreds of thousands of businesses are experiencing. We are talking about 800 to 1,000 businesses closing every single month. But you're not experiencing that if you have the government as a client. You're one of the smart businesses that you get it, you know what to do, and you will keep doing it. My goal is to teach small businesses all over the country how to explode their revenues and their profits by having the government as a client. If you're interested in working with the federal government, you've come to the right place. Welcome to FedBiz Exchange. I'm Michelle Brown. I'm an expert consultant for government contracting. I'm the founder of FedBiz Exchange. I'm a coach and a mentor. I win contracts for myself and my company. There are many teachers and trainers that claim that they will help you. But here we tell you the truth, we tell you the reality, and most important, we teach you how to win. So click that red button below, the subscribe button, and I will see you in my community. Welcome to FedBiz Exchange, where we teach you how to win.